Yeah, baby, get in there.
You see my Lambo?
Nice. I'll send all these to you.
Oh, you can send me just a couple, whichever ones you think are nice.
Sure. What's that? What do you call that? Tangerine? Fire orange?
Maybe.
Fire. Yep. Look at this, like carbon fiber looking like details.
This is a race car. This will never survive on Pittsburgh potholes.
One pothole and the whole transmission goes out. Look at I love the spoiler. Look at that. That's crazy. You have to modify the spoiler for the exhaust. That is so cool. It's plugged in too. It's electric. That's amazing. Woo, that is beautiful. All right, let's look at some of these guys.
Really red.
Yeah, that's the kind of red you want. Right there. Well, there's nobody on this side, so let's go down this way.
With an E-gear.
Yeah, we'll get back to that. Porsche.
So, can you imagine being rich enough to have like all these cars like Jay Leno?
Yeah, you'd have to be Jay Leno to be that rich.